welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today's layout is day 11 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and today's sketch is by Helen Ding. I'll pop it up on the screen here, and this is a really nice sketch. I love this sketch. I am turning it or flipping it basically, so the film strip bits on the side, oh I'm so sorry, are going to be on the right hand side, not on the left. So my title is going to be sort of at the top, because my photos I have is one 5x4 photo and three 3x3s, so going to be a little bit different photo wise, but I still have circles represented. I have the smaller piece of cardstock or pattern paper represented, and I've got a title with a teeny weeny subtitle. So anyway, that is the sketch, and this is what I'm doing. I am using from Studio 73 Nostalgic Whispers collection. Now Joanna Blaine, I think it is, who was Studio 73, is no longer Studio 73. She's actually designing for 49er Market. So I'm so excited for her. She lives about 10 minutes from me. So yay, go local girl, woman, whatever. She's probably not a girl, but you know. I will stop talking now before I put my foot in it. And the photos I can't share. They are of my niece's new baby. He's probably getting close to 1 now. So I think he's 1 in late April. So I have placeholders for the photos, and I've got a lot of fussy cut embellishments, and yeah, that's it. So let's just get on with it, and I'll come back at the end. Okay, there is my completed layout. So I followed this sketch pretty much. Like I said, I just reversed my photos and my film strip over the opposite side. I added 2 circles. I didn't have a third one to put in, but I think I didn't have another spot for a third one. So I could have maybe put something circular here, but I guess the way these flowers are going, it sort of looks like a semicircle. So yeah, let's just go with that. That was intentional. Okay, the photos placement, sorry, are just down with dotty adhesive, which is removable. So is this sentiment here. That's removable as well because I have to put the photos on there. So that is it. If you have any comments or any questions or anything, then please pop them below. If you've liked this page, give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And check out the playlist below. It's got everyone's videos who are playing along with the 30 days of sketches. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.